healthy, in a positive way. Then only we will get anything from this kind of artificial intelligence. So the name is there, that is artificial. That is artificial intelligence. Okay, students? Thank you.
But using AI more and more causes pollution in the environment.
Using AI, what pollution are done in the society?
AI companies use trillion liters of fresh water to keep their computers cool without firing. That is the reason we are having lack of water.
There are some villages which has no sufficient internet.
The former president of WTP, Montreal, using some random stammer using AI voice cloning feature, his mimicries, his voice and push funds and some ran away. Due to this, the Montreal faced many financial issues. Even some big stores are facing the problems due to AI. What about the normal people?
When we ask the AI, it uses many methods, not the same answer again and again. While the teacher cannot explain his student the four methods, any methods they ask. And my point is, the teacher teaches with a heart to the students, and the artificial intelligence teaches with patience.
So you were saying that very good and great students were made by AI teacher compared to human teachers, right? Means you are saying that the AI teacher can make the students more skillful and more developed compared to a human teacher, right? Yes.
We use AI sometimes or regularly, we lost our own creativity.
To improve our creativity, we just ask AI the help to improve our creativity ideas. For project that we should only ask the steps for the AI. We only ask the help of the AI for doing something.
Creating with AI words only can make less human interaction. Talking too much to AI words can make less human interaction. That's why I do not prefer AI.
But humans didn't know all the languages and the questions, and we said that we just asked the instructions for developing our skills, not spending too much time with that. That's why AI is useful for human life.
Yes. Can you explain it again clearly?
I'm saying that human doesn't know all the languages, and he has so many skills. To improve those skills, we can use AI, right? So AI, we ask only some instructions to improve our skills, not spending too much time with it.
So you are saying about instructions, but not only instructions help us to learn the language. So we have to refer some books, not to the AI.
Buy a phone that has more than 5000 mAh battery, it will be work anytime. And if we go to a place where it has internet, it will work 25 hours by 7.
Is it correct? Is it correct? Say.
They lose their own creativity. If we use the AI, the people who doing the homework seeing AI, they lost their creativity.
Do homework with the help of AI. What will happen? Is it right or wrong? If a student doing homework with the help of AI, is it right or wrong? If we continue like that, what will happen?
Why would the AI share the company's information to another company? If the AI system is hacked by another company.
How do the
without knowing any information of the company.
Hacking means that only, na?
Ma'am, we should know some details also. Even the minor details.
Those are the public companies. So easily we can catch the information about the companies.
Ma'am, but in future there will be more development.
We are telling about
Now robots are not replacing any employees. In some rare cases, not the whole companies.
You are saying that AI can replace the humans, right?
Yes, sir.
But my point is, no AI can replace a human. For example, a teacher. No AI teacher can replace a human teacher because a human teacher knows very well about each student and not about only the subject they give. They know if a student has a doubt, they know 100 ways to explain it. But if we take in the point of AI teacher, it gives the same example again and again to make the students understand. So, as the human teachers will also learn psychology.
So what we learn about AI, from the last week onwards we all are debating about the advantages and disadvantages of AI. So what is your conclusion? Is it a blessing or it a threat? Blessing. In some ways, really it is very blessing to the students and the employees who are working especially in the technical fields. Isn't it? But in the same way, AI is distracting so many ways like hacking, like that. Isn't it?
Easy for hackers to hack AI and steal our information.
But AI can also detect the spam alerts. You are saying that it hacks our information, but we use some certain precautions while using AI. It doesn't do any damage to our personal information.
But AI can't destroy.
Lose their memory power and thinking knowledge.
He has understood.
AI causes air pollution in the society by using fossil fuels to produce electricity.
By depending on AI from everywhere in everywhere, by using in hospitals, classrooms, buildings, offices. If internet connection was broke, then the whole hospitals, buildings, and offices were be in stuck and be in a very critical position or situation.
We use AI to do works, but it makes us totally depend on it, and it also cuts the communication with the persons beside to us. So it also makes lack of communication with the persons.